Here how's the transformer calculation works. So you press that, you put the values here on top, 400 volts, and then you put the ratio, and then you put the load. So this app will show you how to go step by step. So this is the meaning of the symbol that we use there. So it's a star connection configuration. So all of them are star in the primary, star in the secondary, star in the load. Then you press, so as you can see, it has calculated from primary, secondary, load, voltage, and then it start with the load, primary current, secondary winding current, and primary winding current. So this is how it's calculated. Then the voltage, the current in a star configurations, all are star configurations. So there's a delta one, still a delta app, and that's it.